Happy 4th of July, everybody, and I hope that you're enjoying this holiday weekend with family and friends. We're down here in the Great Florida Keys, and we remember not just our founding fathers, but all of those who have fought for and secured our freedoms over these many years.
You know, I find it fascinating that America is one of the youngest countries on earth and yet the most prosperous country on earth. When I've asked myself why, is it because we're the largest country? No. Do we have more natural resources than any other country? No. Obviously, we've not been around nearly as long, but I think really our prosperity, one of the key ingredients is our freedom. Freedom inspires hope. And when hope is present, the human heart experiences the maximum motivation that it can feel. Now imagine every American, every working American experiencing far more motivation than other people in other countries where they realize that the best ideas don't win, the hardest working people don't win, the most innovative and persistent people don't win. Only the corrupt win. And because we live in a free country, the best ideas, the hardest working, the best overall value wins. And because of that, we as a water blasting team are free to excel and advance and become first in class. And I'm just so grateful for that. The ability to work together, have amazing amounts of fun together, the ability to worship wherever we want to worship. What freedom we enjoy, and it's because of those men and women who have sacrificed everything over the years that we can enjoy this. Happy 4th of July, and thank God that we're still a free nation.
One nation under God with liberty and justice for all. See you on the next Hog Cast.